Dear students, welcome to the online class on dissertation. Today we will discuss about referencing styles. So, what is referencing? Academic writing relies on more than just the ideas and experience of one author. So, what we do is whenever we do a research or write a dissertation, we generally refer to more than one or two authors for making the base to our study. So, collecting that data, we need different sources. For them, we do referencing. It also uses the ideas and research of other sources such as books, journal articles, websites, etc. These other sources may be used to support the author's ideas, or the author may be discussing, analyzing, or critiquing other sources. Referencing is used to tell the reader where ideas from other sources have been used in assignment, research, or in dissertation. So basically, there are many reasons why it is important to reference sources correctly. These are: it shows the reader that you can find and use sources to create a solid argument. That means it gives a solid base to your research. It properly credits the originators of ideas and theories. It shows the reader how your argument relates to the bigger picture. Failure to properly acknowledge sources is called plagiarism, and it can carry significant academic penalties. If we take the sources or we use the resources and refer different documents of other authors, we have to reference them properly. If we fail to do so, then it is counted as plagiarism. So, what needs to be referenced? Whenever an assignment or a research uses words, facts, ideas, theories, or interpretations from other sources, those sources must be referenced. Referencing is needed when you have copied words from a book, article, or other source of data, or you have used an idea or fact from an outside source even if you haven't used their exact wording. That is called phrasing or summarizing. So you have to reference the proper idea. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप सेम सेंटेंस उठा के ही रखेंगे तभी आप उसको रेफरेंस करेंगे. It is also necessary in the cases when you are taking the idea of another author and using it into your own research. You have to give the proper referencing for that too. Otherwise, it will be tensed as plagiarism. Now, we'll talk about citations and references. There are two elements used in referencing. First, a citation in the text of assignment or a research. It is also known as in-text citation. The citation is usually done in between the paragraphs or the sentences while writing. An entry in a reference list at the end of the assignment. That citation is properly mentioned at the end of your research. The citation contains only enough information for the reader to find out source in the reference list. The citation usually includes the name of the source's author and the year of the source in which it was published. So basically, when the reader reads it, it makes it easier to find out the proper reference by taking its name and the year. It is easy to find out in the bibliography or in the reference list in the end. Now, here is an example. Here you can see a sentence given, and there is a red marked author's name and the publication year. So here the author's surname is being given, and along with that the year of publication in which that proper source is being published, वो year डालते हैं और उसका surname डालते हैं bracket में in between the writing. In this example, Laser 2006 tells that the reader that this information has come from a source written by Laser and which was published in 2006. तो what we do is, जहाँ से भी हम proper referencing ले रहे हैं या जो भी sentence हमने copy किया है या कोई idea लिया है, उसके आगे हम source author का surname and year of publication bracket में डालते हैं. Now, coming to the referencing styles. Referencing is a formal system. There are rules and standards to follow when formatting citations and references. Proper referencing के लिए there are many of the styles and standards which are being fixed. तो हम कोई भी एक प्रॉपर रेफरेंसिंग स्टाइल उठाते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपनी रेफरेंसिंग करते हैं. देयर आर वेरियस रेफरेंसिंग स्टाइल्स. सम स्टैंडर्ड स्टाइल्स आर एज फॉलोज: APA स्टाइल, MLA स्टाइल, ऑक्सफोर्ड स्टाइल, हार्वर्ड स्टाइल एंड शिकागो स्टाइल. सो इन generally we use हार्वर्ड स्टाइल. तो नाउ विल सी हार्वर्ड स्टाइल में कैसे रेफरेंसिंग करते हैं. इन हार्वर्ड स्टाइल व्हाट वी डू इज, सबसे पहले ये रेफरेंसिंग जो हम लास्ट पेज बनाते हैं बिब्लियोग्राफी, उसमें कैसे रेफरेंसिंग करी जाती है, ये उसका स्टैंडर्ड स्टाइल है. दैट इज हार्वर्ड स्टाइल. इन दैट व्हाट वी डू इज, वी फर्स्ट राइट ऑथर्स लास्ट नेम, कॉमा, स्पेस, फर्स्ट नेम इनिशियल्स, then full stop, again in bracket we write the year of publication, again full stop, then the title, then full stop, place of publication, colon sign, and the publisher, full stop, and the page numbers. You can see the example given here in the slide itself. In this way, we do the referencing. Now, what are the information that are required for referencing? First, name of authors. It can be single author, it can be multiple also. Name of journal, article, chapter or conference paper. Name of journal, comma, book or conference, etc. Date of publication or year of publication. Volume number for journals if you are referring to the journal. Editor of book if you are referring a book. Publisher, it is also given if you are referring a book. Place of publication, again for the books. Page numbers of the articles or book chapters. So that's all in the referencing and citations. Thank you.